So what is post-traumatic growth? Post-traumatic growth is positive psychological changes that can potentially occur, potentially is a key word there, in individuals following a traumatic or highly challenging event. So let's just pause on that for just a moment. Post-traumatic growth is not a guarantee. It's potential. It may or may not happen. The other piece of that, though, as it says here, let me put that back up, is it's the result of, it comes after this traumatic event. So it's different than normal growth. Okay, there are a lot of ways to experience personal growth. There are a lot of ways to experience positive psychological changes. We're talking about a very particular experience that happens after this highly challenging, highly difficult event. It cannot be simulated through other means. There doesn't appear to be another avenue to many of the effects, the markers of post-traumatic growth. In other words, there may not be another way to get there. Not every aspect of it, but many aspects of it. So it's the process of struggle and adaptation after traumatic event or difficult life circumstance that can shift one's perspective, values, worldview, leading to personal development and increased well-being. So look at those things listed there: perspective, values, worldview. Your perspective is going to influence your values. How you see things, your perspective on things is going to lead to what you value, and your perspective plus your values are going to give you a certain worldview. How do I see the world? What's the lens through which I look at the world? And this can be shifted. Well, it is shifted through trauma. It can be shifted in a positive way through trauma if you get to post-traumatic growth. Post-traumatic growth is more than resilience. Resilience is a great thing. There's a lot of research on resilience. We want to be resilient people, but where resilience refers to returning to baseline, right? And so, I have this terrible thing happen. I get stretched beyond my typical experience, but resilience means I can pop right back. I can get right back to where I was, right back to where I need to be. That's resilience. It's good. It's important. Post-traumatic growth goes beyond mere resilience, because post-traumatic growth isn't about returning to baseline. It's about an expansion of capacity that actually reestablishes the baseline. I used to only be able to operate at this level. This was my optimal level. But now, as a result of post-traumatic growth, I can operate here. Resilience would be, there's this really hard time, extra stress, and then I can pop right back up to optimal. Post-traumatic growth is there's this really hard time and I reach now a new level of optimal. That's post-traumatic growth. To me, that's like super exciting.